Escort HP 5500 CB radio station is ultra-compact, measuring only 115 by 115 by 35 mm, and it can fit even in the smallest spaces. Easy to install. Just plug it into the cigarette lighter socket and outdoor CB antenna mounted on the car dome. The PNI Escort HP 5500 has been designed with simplicity in mind so that anyone can use it with ease. The high-quality Elektretkondensator encapsulated in the microphone provides clear and powerful sound. The PNI Escort HP 5500 CB radio station allows the most faithful control over the background noise specific to the CB band. The analog potentiometer, adjustable SQ-Funktion and 5-level ASQ allow the user to filter and remove noises, making communication clearer. The 7-level RF-Gain-Funktion allows control over the receive frequency, reducing distortion. Other features of the PNI Escort HP 5500 station: 4-watt output power, 12-24-volt power supply, 40 channels, AM/FM modulation, emergency channels 919, 6-pin microphone connector, additional external speaker jack. By setting the rate and modulation, you can use the station in Great Britain, UK and most European Union countries. The PNI Escort HP 5500 is equipped with the main European bands EU, CU, CE, UK, PL, DE, EN, EO, L2. Note: to change the norm, turn off the station. Simultaneously press the PTT key plus the up key on the microphone while restarting the radio station. The LED corresponding to the AF key lights up and the current norm appears on the screen. Press the up-down keys to reach the desired rate, then restart the station or press the PTT key to exit the rate setting mode.